Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we will be discussing about the derivative of trigonometric functions. So we have six trigonometric functions. We have the following: the sine, cosine, and tangent. Yan yung first three natin. We also have the second three natin. We have the cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Wait lang, kulang dito ng x. So ngayon, meron tayong mga dapat tandaan in getting the derivatives of trigonometric function. These are the following rules na dapat nyo i-memorize. We have sine, derivative ng sine x. Yung x dito is the value of angle or the theta equals cosine x. Pag may nakita kayong sine, gagawin yung cosine. Pag may nakitang cosine, derivative nun magiging negative sine x. Yung mga x na yan, kinokopya lang natin. Kung ang given ay 3x, gagawin nyo lang 3x. Okay, tangent x magiging secant squared x. Ang cosecant x magiging negative cosecant x, cotangent x. Magkakaroon ng dalawa. Okay? Pero negative. Negative cosecant x plus cotangent x. Dadagdagan nyo lang ng cotangent. Then gawin yung negative. Then secant x is equal to secant x tangent x. Okay? While cotangent x is equal to negative cosecant squared x. So, para mas maintindihan nyo, let's have the following examples here. Number 1 is, what is the derivative of sine 3x? So, basically, ang gagawin nyo, muna, ang first step nyo, identify nyo yung theta. The theta is 3x, o yung angle. 3x, yan, ay kukunin mo muna yung derivative ng 3x. What is the derivative of 3x? Using the identity rule, yung 3x ay magiging 3 na lang. So, yung 3 na yan, ilalagay mo muna dito. Followed by the derivative netong sine. So, sine magiging cosine. Pero wag nyo ilagay na x. Kasi ang given dito na theta o yung angle ay 3x. So, ito. Final answer. Derivative of sine 3x is 3 cosine 3x. Let's have number 2. What is the derivative of cosecant 3x squared? So, ang gagawin nyo, identify the angle, which is 3x squared. Get the derivative. 2 times 3 is 6. Lagyan dito 6. Then, x squared magiging x na lang. Yung cosecant, kunin mo na yung derivative niyan dito. Ang cosecant ay ito. So, lagay mo tong negative. Since negative yan, ang ilagay mo dito, sa unahan mo ilagay yung negative. Negative din, copy mo na yung cosecant. Huwag niyong copyin yung x kasi ang given dito ay 3x squared. Kinokopya lang yan. Cotangent, kopya. Tapos yung x dito, ito yung gagamitin nyo. 3x squared. Inuulit ko, ito yung theta, dapat yung pa rin gagamitin mong theta kahit ito yung rule natin. So yung mga x na yan is the given theta or the given angle. So we have the final answer. Bakit naging negative to? Because ang derivative ng cosecant ay negative, dito na nilagay sa dulo. So, negative 6x cosecant 3x squared cotangent 3x squared. Final answer. Next. In here, we have the derivative of 2x minus cotangent 5x. We have here two terms. First and the second term. So, derivative muna ng 2x, that is equal to 2. Next is negative or minus, derivative naman itong cotangent 5x. Hiwalay na yan. Okay? Tapos yan dito, ito na yan. Basic lang yan. Then, ito na yung trigonometric natin. Derivative ng 5x ay 5. Ilagay mo yan dito sa gilid. Gilid lang nito, hindi neto ha. So, 5, lagay mo dito. Meron ka ng minus 5. Then, derivative ng cotangent, tingin ka na dito sa rule. Basta kunin mo na to, tapos derivative ng cotangent. Cotangent ay negative cosecant squared x. Yung x yung given theta, which is 5x. So, negative yan, lagay natin dito sa unahan. Pero hindi dito, sa unahan lang ng term na to. So, ito yung negative na yan, magiging positive na yan. Kasi, magkakaroon ka ng isa pang negative. Negative times yung negative pa na to is positive. Then yung 5. Cotangent, pagtamo na ng cosecant squared. Then yung x, ito yung gagamitin mo, 5x. Final answer. Okay? So, we have the fourth example. Derivative of cosine squared 3x. Kapag yung trigonometric function mo ay may raised to 2, ibig sabihin, gagamitan mo siya ng chain rule. This could also be written as cosine 3x, then may raised to 2 dito. Parehas lang yan. Tapos, ang gagawin natin, yung 2 na to, distribute mo muna dito, or i-bring down mo doon, parang chain rule. So, magiging 2, then copy mo to, cosine 3x, times, derivative ng loob. Ang derivative nito, so, kunin mo ito yung derivative nito, that is 3. So, lagyan mo dito 3. Then, derivative ng cosine is sine. Ay, no, sorry. Derivative ng cosine ay negative sine. So, yung negative na yan, lagyan mo dito. Lagyan na yung parenthesis. Negative 3. Then, ito magiging sine na. Sino yung negative sine? Negative sine. Yung 3 nakuha yun dito sa 3x, derivative niyan ay 3. Then, copyin mo ulit yung angle, 3x. Then, close. Then, simplify lang natin to. Negative 3, ito lang simplify natin dyan, saka 2. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Then, isulat mo, unahin mo yung, ito, nakasulat. Cosine 3x, then sine 3x. Pwede rin ito isulat ng negative 6, sine 3x, tsaka cosine 3x. Or this. Okay? Next, let's have the last example. Sine x times tangent x. This is written as one term. Pero nagmumultiply sila. So, you will use product rule. So, in product rule, this will be your u, this will be your v. So, let's follow the rule of the product rule. U dv plus v du. So, copyin mo yung u. Ito muna. First, u. Copy mo yung sin x. Huwag mo i-derivative. dv, ito yun. Derivative neto. So, ang derivative ng tangent x. Since x lang yan, kukopyin mo lang yung ito mismo. Tangent x na yan, no? Parehas na parehas. So, ito na yung magiging sagot. So, secant. Ito, tabi mo dito. Secant. Ito yung u. Then, secant squared x. U dv. dv, derivative ng tangent, which is secant squared x. Then, copy mo to plus v. Ang v natin ay ito, tangent x. Copy mo lang yan. Then, this time, kunin mo yung derivative ng du. Ito yung u. Derivative ng sin x, derivative niyan ay cosine x. So, lagyan mo dito cosine x. So, that's it. I-write lang natin ng maayos. Tanggalin yung parenthesis, sin x, then secant squared x plus tangent x, cosine x. Wala ka nang pwedeng pagsamahin dito kasi magkakaiba naman yan. First term, second term, then yan ay magiging final answer mo. Okay? I hope that you learned something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep you more updated on my next video. Thank you.